So at this point in time, the teams have successfully mapped areas at several demonstration sites around the country. So as I mentioned, we have the Ministry of Agriculture here. So we've mapped we are in process of mapping 4 different areas of St. Vincent. The first was Montreal Gardens, and that was an agricultural demonstration site where we mapped that area up in Montreal Gardens. The next was that we moved down to the south coast of St. Vincent, and we mapped the South Coast Marine Conservation Area. So that's from where the La Vue Hotel is, the whole coastline down to the Blue Lagoon. And so we've mapped that area as a coastal marine type of area. And then we've also mapped for forestry. We chose Mount Wynn in Layou, that area, and we mapped that forest area there. And then tomorrow we're going out to Connery. We're going to be mapping the agricultural area out there. I believe, I've been told there's a lot of bananas, dasheen, and other crops out there. So we have collected and mapped with the drones those areas.
So what we're doing this week is a training on participatory GIS, which essentially aims to facilitate the collection of information from the communities, from the different households, whether they're agriculture households, livestock households, fisheries households, and forestry-based households, and then integrate this information from the communities, from the local level, into geospatial datasets, including drone maps and satellite imagery, because we know that there is power when all of these types of information come together, simply because you'll be able to more comprehensively analyze the information, and this more comprehensive access to information facilitates better understanding of risks, for example. And once we know and once we have better understanding of risks and vulnerabilities, this in turn facilitates more effective decision making.